is shined on different parts of the head, and it does penetrate through the brain. We're going to talk about that very soon. It can actually create what I said earlier is cognitive enhancement. That means it improves memory, it improves focus, it reduces depression, it reduces anxiety, and it can help to heal many aspects of brain injury and trauma. So how it works is really interesting. We do know that when you shine light on the skull and it passes into the brain, it increases blood flow, the flow of cerebrospinal fluid, the flow of lymph, it makes the nerves fire, and these are all important aspects of treating the brain. However, those results are relatively short-term, but we've now found in research that light can affect long-term changes in the brain, so that must be a different mechanism. So how does light actually affect the brain? How does it accomplish this? Well, we know that when the light goes through the skull, and we're going to go into how it goes through the skull a little later when we talk about how to treat different syndromes. But we know that it increases oxygen production, it increases the flow of blood, of cerebrospinal fluid, of lymph. But we know that those are also relatively short-term effects. There are long-term effects from the use of light on the brain. And we now know that these long-term effects are the result of stimulating what we call mitochondrial function, or the function of the mitochondria, which are the workhorses or the producers of energy for the body and the brain. Now, the brain's only 2% of body weight, but it's 20% of using ATP. So in other words, it uses 10 times more ATP than one would expect for its small size. And that's because the brain is so important. That's why it uses so much ATP. And what it does is the light stimulates what we call the ECT, or the electron transport chain, the ETC. And what that does is that produces more energy. So by producing more energy, you're getting healthier cells, more vibrant cells, and of course, that is thought to be one of the primary ways that it helps to heal the brain.